Yawning is something almost everyone has experienced, but have you ever wondered why it's contagious? The reason lies in something called mirror neurons in our brains. These neurons allow us to mimic the actions and emotions of others, especially those with whom we feel close. When you see someone yawn, your brain reacts by making you yawn as well. This behavior is believed to help strengthen social bonds and increase empathy. Studies show that people with higher empathy are more likely to catch a yawn. Interestingly, it's not just humans. Animals like dogs and chimpanzees also experience this phenomenon. So, next time you see someone yawn, try to resist and see if you can control it.